In this question, there is air. Sometimes there may be any other medium other than air, and it is having some refractive index. So in that case, how to find? So let's do such type of numerical. And see is the question. Let the observer is here, and in which medium the observer is, the refractive index of that medium is let 1.8. This is a surface, students. Let this is the surface AB. Let this is the surface, students. The thickness of the surface, let it is CD. The thickness is let 15 centimeter. The thickness is 15 centimeter. And the refractive index mu is equal to 1.5. Then student, let the refractive, another medium is here. Let this thickness is 20 centimeter, students. And the refractive index of this is mu is equal to 2. And object is here. How to find the apparent depth of the object? We have to find the apparent depth of the object. We are going to find the apparent depth of the object. What you have to do to find the apparent depth of the object? How to find the apparent depth of the object? What is the formula you see here? Just in this formula, what is the apparent depth, students? We got T1 by mu1 relative, T2 by mu2 relative, yes or no? T3 by mu3 relative, all understood? Right. T1 by mu1 relative, T2 by mu2 relative, T3 by mu3 relative. But here only how many mediums are there? Two mediums are there. Here only two mediums are there. So if I'll be going the apparent depth, let T apparent. What I'll write? What will write, students? T by, let for the first medium, let this is first, this is second. So T by mu1 relative plus T by, let T1 by mu1, let T2 by mu2 relative. Like that I could find. That means, students, T1 for the first case, T1 is how much, students? 20 divided by mu1 relative, matlab refractive index of this by refractive index of this. Listen, that I'm taking here. I'm taking here T1. T1 is how much, students? 20. Listen, T1 is 20. I put. So this is mu2. Mu1 relative means what? Mu1 by mu0. एग्जाम लिए थे, ऑब्जर्वर जिस मीडियम पे है, प्लस यहाँ पर थिकनेस कितना है? 15 by mu2 divided by mu0 means in which medium the observer is, that is, students, 20 by mu1 is how much? Mu1 is 2 by 1.8, correct? Plus 15 by, this is how much? 1.5. 1.5 by how much? 1.5. So 1.5 by 1.8. This is the second medium, 1.5. This is 15, and this is 1.8. 1.5 by 1.8. Students, solve here. By solving, how much you will get? 20 by 1.8, मतलब 200 by 9. Yes or no? It will be how much? It will be only 18. Plus here also 1.5, 1.5 cancel, 15. So that is also 18. So now the depth will be how much? 36 centimeter. The apparent depth of the object will be, friends, यहाँ पर कितना है? 20 plus 15. How much? 36. But उसको क्या लगेगा? 1 मीटर नीचे चला गया. So the shift is how much? 36 centimeter. Understood? Next, let's go to one face silver slab, thick mirror. Thick mirror. Let's go to one face is silver slab. Right, students? One face silver slab. One face silver slab. That is for thick mirrors. Let's see what happens. Friends, when one surface of the slab is silvered, then the ray of light, let we have to let, this is the glass surface, glass slab. And student, one surface I have silver. I have silvered it like this. Friends, when one slab is silvered, जैसे फिगर पे दिखाया गया है, then the ray of light from the object, let's students here the object is, okay, the ray of light undergoes refraction and reflection. It will come like this. Here is the normal. It was supposed to go to straight, but it will bend. Little bend होगा यहाँ पर. It will bend little towards the normal. Here, again from this surface, what will happen, students? It will get reflected. एक बार refraction हो रहा है और दूसरी बार पे वो reflect होके जा रहा है. फिर जब denser to rarer जा रहा है, तो it may go like this, away from the normal. Understood, students? So here, in the first surface, first refracts of the surface one. Let this is surface one. And again it is get then reflected from the surface 2, then finally refracts. फिर और एक बार क्या होता है, refract होता है from the surface 1, again last पे फिर surface 1 से reflect होता है. So we can consider the silver slab, जो एक surface जब हम silver कर दिए students, तो हम एक उसको ऐसे consider करते हैं, first पे क्या होगा, at first a refracting surface की तरह treat करेंगे, वहां पर कैसा क्या होगा, a refracting surface at first, surface 1 पे एक refracting surface, नंबर बी पे a reflecting surface, a reflecting surface, and number सी पे students a refracting surface again, a refracting surface again. Students, right, short trick will combine everything. That means, if an object is placed at a distance x, let this is the mirror, the object is placed here, student, so definitely the image will be produced here, no doubt. The object is placed at a distance x, let this distance is x, and this distance will be also x. Question: if a glass slab of thickness T, let we are having a glass slab. In the second case, we are going, let there is a glass slab having thickness T. Okay. Then one surface is silvered. Surface को silver कर दिए. At one face from a thick mirror. Object is placed at a distance, student x. Let from here the object is placed. This is the object which is placed at a distance x. Okay, from the mirror. On the surface, then the image will be shifted towards the object, students. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर था, what the image will be produced, एक बार यहाँ पर रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ, फिर जाके यहाँ पर किसी एक पॉइंट पे यहाँ पर रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ, तो यहाँ पर रिफ्रैक्शन की वजह से एक आ रहा था, कितना x आ रहा था, x डिस्प्लेस हो रहा था, जितना भी शिफ्ट होगा, कितना शिफ्ट होगा, जब यहाँ पर जाएगा तो कितना शिफ्ट होगा स्टूडेंट, लेट दिस थिकनेस इज t. एक बार जब रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ पहले बार में कितना शिफ्ट होगा स्टूडेंट्स, t into 1 minus 1 by mu ना, if mu is the refractive index. एक बार रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ इतना शिफ्ट हुआ, फिर जब वहां से रे निकलेगा फिर और एक बार शिफ्ट होगा ना, समझ में आ रहा है, तो दो बार शिफ्ट होगा क्योंकि दो बार रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा है, यहाँ पर एक रिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है एंट्री के टाइम पे, फिर एग्जिट के टाइम पे एक बार रिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है, तो शिफ्ट जो है वो दो बार कंसीडर होगा. तो ऑब्जेक्ट जो है, इमेज जो है ऑब्जेक्ट का स्टूडेंट्स, राइट, इफ द ग्लास स्लैब ऑफ थिकनेस t इज सिल्वर्ड एट वन फेस, एक सरफेस पे हम सिल्वर कर दिए और ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो x दूरी पर है स्टूडेंट्स, then the image will be shift right here, then image will shift towards object, image will shift towards object by 2 times 2t into 1 minus 1 by mu. Remember this one. For this case, it will be shifted towards the object by 2t into 1 minus 1 by mu. Got it? Then students, actually, if I will draw the diagram, how it will be, I will combine both. Students, see here. This is object, student. This is the surface. Okay. And this side I have silver. See properly. This is the object, student. and the object was present at a distance x. Okay, students. So first for this distance is x. So exactly from here, the image will be produced for the first case. Image will be produced here. Then again for the second refracting surface, the image will be shifted towards the object. That means the image will be produced here, I dash. And this shift फर्स्ट के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर रिफ्लेक्टिंग पहले इसके लिए, फिर ये रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस के लिए, फिर यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आईडीएस. वो दो बार शिफ्ट होगा, पहले एक के लिए यहाँ पर आएगा, फिर दूसरी बार के लिए यहाँ पर आएगा. टोटल स्टूडेंट दिस शिफ्ट इज इक्वल टू इन द फॉर्मूला, दिस शिफ्ट इज इक्वल टू स्टूडेंट्स हाउ मच 2t into 1 minus 1 by mu. Understood? If I will do this one in a question, student, just let's do a simple example, then we'll know the application. Let a mirror is placed like this, students. Let a mirror is placed like this. Mirror, not mirror, a thick mirror, क्योंकि ग्लास स्लैब मतलब बहुत मोटा है. और स्टूडेंट ये जो थिकनेस ऑफ द ग्लास स्लैब है, मान के चलो 3 सेंटीमीटर है, और ऊपर पे स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर एयर दिया गया. अगर अदर मीडियम देगा तो फिर वो वाला कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे. और ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर कहीं पे है एयर पे, and let the object is student present at a distance of 10 centimeter. Simply the object is present at a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, students. Then we have to find the position of the final image through the situation. ये जो situation दिखाया गया है, यहाँ पर final image student कहाँ पर produce होगा? Let us see the final image, or the final image will be produced. Friends, ये है जो ये 10 centimeter है, ये 3 centimeter है. Properly समझो, फिर मैं समझाऊंगा. Friends, ये जो object है, in the first case. So we have to find, students. कैसे हम निकालेंगे पहले देखो. At first, how much will be the t into 1 minus 1 by mu कितना होगा बताओ. T into, अगर हम shift निकालेंगे यहाँ पर, तो how much it will be shifted. So when that shift is equal to t into 1 minus 1 by mu. And the refractive index of glass slab is how much, you know? Refractive index of the glass slab is, students, कितना दिया जाता है? Most probably 3 by 2. Okay, this is 3 by 2, students. Refractive index is equal to 3 by 2. इसे समझो. अगर एट फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे तो कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? t into 1 minus 1 by mu. t कितना है? 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 by 2 कितना हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? ये 3 1 minus कितना हो जाएगा? ये 1.5. 1.5 minus 1 कितना है स्टूडेंट्स? 0.5. 0.5 by 1.5 कितना हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? बताओ. 0.5 by 1.5 how much? Let's do this one in the next sheet. Once again I'm drawing the case. What is the formula directly, student? If I directly apply the formula here, 2t into 1 minus 1 by mu, na? So it will be 2t, na? 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, yes or no? So this is 1. So student, how much is the shift? How much is the shift, students? 2 centimeter, na? Friends.
Yes, sir.
Student, if this was 10 centimeter, student, if this was 10 centimeter, yes or no? This distance was 10 plus this was 13, yes or no? So where the image will be produced?
The screen also.
That's why I asked now whether you are able to see or not. Let's see here. This is 10, na? This is 10. But what is the mirror distance? 13, na? That means the image is present, the object is present at a distance of 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter दूर image object আছে তাহলে তার image টা কোটি বনিব বিলে এটি এটি এক্স্যাক্টলি 13 সেন্টিমিটার দূরে বনিব না ইমেজটা exactly पिले 13 centimeter दूर बनिब. Understood? This is the image. That means this case, students, you see this case here this was the object, na? This was the image. Then it was getting shifted.
Yes, sir.
So how much it will get shifted? Actually 13 centimeter दूर रे थिला तो एटी 13 centimeter दूर बनला बर्तन केते शिफ्ट हेजो से याडी की 2 centimeter ना. We solved it that it will be shifted by 2 centimeter. Yes or no? Pile
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now we calculate that it is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter will be actually the image will be produced here. New image will be produced here. 2 centimeter. So that 2 centimeter is how much from the object? 10 plus this is how much? Total 13. 2 चला गया तो ये कितना 11 centimeter ना? From the mirrors, from the silver surface 11 centimeter दूर produce होगा 11 centimeter. From the object कितने दूर produce होगा final image टा? 11 plus 10 21 21. Understood or not, students? Next, see the question in the next sheet. This is the glass slab. Same question I'm doing here. The thickness is 3 centimeter, and this surface I have silvered. And from this surface, there is an object here. What is the distance, student, here? 10 centimeter. Is that clear? This is glass. Refractive index of glass is how much, students? 3 by 2 times. Understood? And in the previous session, you have seen here. See here just. This is the object. The image will be produced here. First time it will be getting shifted to this and second it will be shifted due to because दो बार ये refract हो रहा है. 2 times refraction के लिए 2 times shift होगा students. ठीक है? 2 बार refraction के लिए तो it is getting shifted by 2t of 1 minus 1 by mu. और ये t into 1 minus 1 by mu ये हमें पहले से पता है और double refraction हो रहा है इसलिए दो times shift हो रहा है तो इसलिए 2t times आ रहा है. तो उसी concept को हम यहाँ पर apply करने वाले हैं. So if a student case, if I will take here. So this is 13 centimeter. From the mirror, it is present at 13 centimeter. So exactly at first, the first refracting surface, ideas will be at a distance of 13 centimeter. But just now we derived it will get shifted by a distance. It will get shifted towards the object. So ideas. So this one, students, we calculate this shift is equal to how much? 2t times of 1 minus 1 by mu. And by putting the value of mu, we calculate that is 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter. So ये जो 13 centimeter दूरी पर बना था तो actually last में finally ये 2 centimeter towards the object shift हो जाएगा. If it will be getting shifted towards 2 centimeter, this one, if it will be getting shifted 2 centimeter towards the glass surface, then plate at 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. How at what distance it will be from the silvering surface? 13 minus 2 कितना? 11 centimeter. But object to कितने produce होगा? 10 plus 11 21. Understood?
Yes, sir.